Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magnet.com, www.dayprotraders.com. Alright? The title of the video is how to scalp on the 50-minute chart using RSI indicators, part 3. Alright, so in the first part we were doing something else. In the second part we were looking at how we can improve the first strategy. Now in this third part we're going to see how we can perfect our scalping on the 15-minute chart. Alright, so the channel that we have drawn first on the first part of this video is the blue channel. We were looking only on the 15-minute chart. That's the blue channel here. In the second part we have complemented, all right, the 15-minute chart with the 2-hour chart. This is the red channel for the 2-hour chart. We have seen that the market pattern on the 2-hour chart and the 50-minute chart are aligning beautifully, all right. In this third part, what are we going to do? We're going to look at support and resistance level. The first thing first, if you want to sell, all right, you want to sell at a resistance zone. In this strategy about how to scalp on the 50-minute chart, we were using the overbought RSI period 14 on the 15-minute chart, okay? So we're going to look at, we want to sell. In this case, we are giving priority to sell signal in a declining channel. But what we need to do to improve our strategy, our scalping strategy on the 50-minute chart, we want to make sure that we are selling or this RSI is overbought, okay, in a valid resistance zone. All right, what do I mean by a valid resistance zone? Let's see how I'll be talking to you now, very important. So, before I continue, I want to tell you something very important. Sometimes, some resistance are quite solid, all right? The price will go up like this and hit it, and then change direction and just go down. This is beautiful, but it doesn't always work like this, okay? It doesn't always work like this. When the price will rally to a resistance and hit it and turn around. Sometimes it doesn't. There's another scenario. Pay attention carefully because this video is a short video. I need to go. I don't need to repeat myself. Sometimes the price will go above the resistance level, but will fail to find a support above it, come back inside. In this scenario, one must wait for the candlestick bar that is piercing the resistance must close first before we can attempt to enter the trade. So if you're on the hourly chart, that hourly candle that is bearish piercing this resistance, okay, must close first before we can attempt to sell. So this is the second scenario. Price goes above, but come back and close below the resistance. There are more to this, but we don't have time, so we just move on. The fourth scenario, the third scenario, which is the best scenario, price going down. So this time you see here it was going up to the resistance, but it didn't stop like this. It goes above it before coming back down. This time the price was going down fast, but the price did below a resistance support level. So price going down, pierce through the support level, come back and retest the support level, and this time we found a resistance here. This is the best scenario. Sometimes the price can even go up again above it before coming down. But this is a common market pattern. Price move, language of the price, break below, retest, turn around. So look at our 50-minute strategy. In this case, as we are on a 50-minute chart, we go to a higher time frame. We draw support, resistance level. You can see I draw some green line here. I got only a few seconds left. See, I have the green line. This is a support level, yes or no? This is another one here. You can see price was going down, going down, going down, going down here. After that, it bounced up a bit. So this is support level. Another green line here, which I'm drawing the 2-hour chart. You can see that on the 50-minute chart, we were selling here. You see the green spot here. This is the spot that we draw on the 50-minute chart. You were selling here, here, and here on the 50-minute chart. Did you forget? Okay. All right. So you can see that the price here, what has happened here is what has happened here. Okay. You see here, break below, retested around. So though we were on the 50-minute chart, what the price have done on the 2-hour chart, the price did below the green line and came back and retest the lower part of the green line. And you see here, that's why it went too long to the downside. You remember that's the second one here. So what the price has done, it did below a key support level, in this time the green one, and then came back and retested. By applying these methods, okay, we can filter out the false signal for scalping on the 50-minute charts, so we will be able to select the best setup for our scalping strategy using the RSI indicator on the 50-minute chart by combining support resistance level on a higher time frame, paying attention to, okay, these three scenarios: break above, come back below, or touch it and go straight away, or this is the best one, see below is support level, retest the support level and find a resistance right there. You should see that the price went below the green line, retest it here, and then it came back again for the second time and then pushed back. You can see we sold it here on the 50-minute chart. If you go on the 50-minute chart, you'll see that, okay, this is it. You see the green line now? You see that this is the line we draw on the 2-hour chart. This is it, overbought on the 15-minute chart. This is a better one, D below, it tests. Now you see it didn't go down very much. It come back again, retest the sell level. Now they sold it again, and this is how you can improve this strategy. I hope you have learned something from the video, and we put it to use, okay, to make excellent scalping day trading decisions. Speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 Trader. This is the end of this series of video about how to scalp on the 50-minute chart using the RSI indicators.